Is Apple still the king of smartphone cameras, or has Google's latest Pixel made a case for itself? If you've ever found yourself debating this, then today's deep dive is for you. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for all things tech and gadgets. And in today's video, we're breaking down the latest camera comparison between two of the most anticipated smartphones of 2024, the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Let's dive into what these flagship devices bring to the table and see which one truly dominates the smartphone camera game. So, we all know the rivalry between Apple and Google isn't just about the software anymore. Year after year, both companies have pushed the boundaries in mobile camera technology. But with the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Pixel 9 Pro XL, we're seeing a showdown like never before. From image quality to camera sensors, computational photography to zoom capabilities, we're covering it all to help you understand which device comes out on top. iPhone 16 Pro Max camera specifications. First, let's talk about the camera specs of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple has been refining its camera system for years now, and it seems they've once again upped the ante with this release. The iPhone 16 Pro Max packs a newly upgraded camera system featuring larger sensors and improved lenses. This means more light capture, crisper images, and a whole lot of versatility when it comes to different lighting scenarios. Apple has continued to stick with its triple camera setup, which includes a wide, an ultra-wide, and a telephoto lens. However, they've significantly improved the main wide lens to provide better low-light performance, deeper colors, and more accurate skin tones, areas where Apple has traditionally excelled. Plus, Apple's photonic engine and deep fusion technology continue to play a massive role in processing images. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has a more refined image processing algorithm that helps retain more detail while keeping noise at bay, even in challenging conditions. Pixel 9 Pro XL camera specifications. Now let's shift gears to Google's latest contender, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Google has been synonymous with camera software innovation, thanks to its legendary computational photography. And with this new model, they've taken things up a notch. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features a robust camera setup, which still relies on a triple camera system, but now comes with better sensors and improved software magic. The Pixel's main camera has always been a favorite for those who want vibrant, punchy colors and dramatic contrast straight out of the camera. And with the Pixel 9 Pro XL, Google has made sure to include some serious upgrades in terms of dynamic range and detail. One big upgrade is the improvement to Google's Super Res Zoom, a feature that allows for high-quality zoomed-in shots without needing a super telephoto lens. Google's camera app is also now smarter, leveraging AI to automatically adjust settings, enhance details, and improve skin tones. Camera performance comparison. So, we've got two flagship phones with impressive camera systems, but how do they stack up in real-world performance? Let's break it down into different categories. Daylight photography. In well-lit environments, both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Pixel 9 Pro XL perform phenomenally. The iPhone tends to produce slightly warmer and more natural images, focusing on color accuracy and balanced exposure. On the other hand, the Pixel 9 Pro XL produces more contrast-heavy images with punchier colors. If you prefer a photo that's instantly Insta-ready with vibrant colors, then the Pixel may be more up your alley. But if you like to capture images that are closer to what your eyes see and have a more natural feel, the iPhone 16 Pro Max delivers. Low-light photography and night mode. When the sun goes down, the differences become more pronounced. The larger sensor on the iPhone 16 Pro Max really shines in low-light conditions, providing clearer images with less noise. Apple's night mode has improved, delivering images that retain detail without over-brightening the scene. However, the Pixel 9 Pro XL still impresses with its own night sight feature. It's known for its ability to light up the darkest of scenes, and with this model, Google has added even more AI processing to reduce noise and retain sharpness. The choice here boils down to personal preference. The iPhone tends to produce more natural and true-to-life night shots, whereas the Pixel can produce brighter, more processed-looking photos. Portrait mode and skin tones. Both devices handle portrait photography really well, with excellent edge detection and bokeh effects. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, however, has a slight edge when it comes to processing skin tones. Google has heavily focused on capturing diverse skin tones accurately, and the AI enhancements really make portraits stand out. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has its own strengths with its photonic engine, ensuring every hair strand is detailed and the blur feels like an actual DSLR effect. Zoom capabilities. Zoom is an area where both phones have made strides. The Pixel's SuperRes zoom technology offers a hybrid approach that combines both optical and AI-based zoom, resulting in surprisingly good clarity even at higher magnifications. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, however, has introduced a longer-range telephoto lens, providing optical zoom capabilities without relying as much on digital processing. In summary, the Pixel's zoom is versatile and impressive thanks to computational processing, but if you want cleaner optical zoom, the iPhone may be the better pick. Video capture and performance. We can't talk about cameras without talking about video capabilities. Apple has long been praised for its video prowess, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max continues this tradition. With support for Dolby Vision HDR, you're getting beautifully graded video right out of the box, smooth stabilization, and fantastic low-light performance. Apple's ProRAW and ProRes formats are still game changers for those who want to do heavy editing or shoot professional-grade videos. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, while not necessarily a slouch in video capture, doesn't quite match up to the iPhone when it comes to stabilization and color grading. However, Google has put a lot of effort into making video more accessible to everyone by adding new features like cinematic video modes, real-time HDR, and improved AI-based stabilization. The result is a solid performer in the video category, but Apple still leads if high-quality, polished video is what you're after. Software and image processing. Another critical aspect to consider is software and post-processing. Apple's approach is more natural and true to life, with minimal post-processing to preserve the original scene. In contrast, Google's software processing is a bit more aggressive, which leads to sharper details, increased dynamic range, and images that often look more eye-catching straight out of the camera. Final thoughts and conclusion. So, who takes the crown? The iPhone 16 Pro Max or the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Honestly, it depends on what you're looking for in a smartphone camera. If you want a balanced, natural look with unmatched video capabilities, then Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max is the way to go. But if you're into vibrant, eye-popping photos with impressive AI-powered features and zoom versatility, the Pixel 9 Pro XL will definitely make you happy. Both phones have pushed the envelope, and it's exciting to see how far mobile photography has come. Whether you're Team Apple or Team Google, it's safe to say that 2024 has given us two of the best smartphone cameras on the market. That wraps up our comparison. What do you think? Are you an iPhone loyalist, or does the Pixel have you considering a switch? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech and gadget reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.